Okay, so I just want to show you just a simple example of how you want to create use case and also activity diagram. Okay, so here is a landing page of Enterprise Architect. Okay, so if you want to create, so you should create a new project first, file, new project. Okay, and then this is Enterprise Architect file. So put any project that you want to name. So my project is example. Okay, so then save. Okay, okay, so I have saved the file. Okay, so now what happened is, so I can choose which model that um, I want to start with. So this is use case model, and I choose domain model. Okay, and I can choose a class diagram. Okay, for example. Okay, I have chosen that. Okay, so in the use case model, okay, you have to double click, and you see this. If you don't want this one, just go to the main. Okay, and Control A, and then delete all. Okay, so you have a clean slate. Okay, from there, okay, in the use case model, you can right click, and you can add. Yeah. Okay, use case model, you can add your own diagram element or add package. Okay, so you can add a lots of things by right clicking. So you have lots of alternative or lots of functionality if you right click here. Okay, so now our main task is to create a use case, one use case. For example, order processing. So now I can rename my use case. Okay, wait. Properties. Okay, let's say my use case is about e-commerce. Okay, so e-commerce done, and then this is my use case. My first use case is processing order. Okay, and then the actor is just one actor, staff. Okay, so don't forget that your use case should have a code there. Okay, so UC001. Okay, processing order. Okay, so then you should have a association between the actor and the use case. Okay, now you have one use case. Now you want to do activity diagram for your use case. So you can right click, add activity there, and you can choose activity diagram. Okay, now here is all the notation that you can use for activity diagram. Okay, so this one activity, and okay, so you can start with receive order. Receive order activity. Okay, receive order. Okay, so this is the starting initial, the start node. Okay, start, 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 start. Okay, start. Okay, so this is start, receive order, and then try for fill order and send invoice. So to activity, fill order. Okay, fill order. Okay, and send invoice. So this is an activity diagram from the notes. Okay, so these two activity is parallel. So how do you want to show parallel? We have a fork. Okay, so put fork here. Okay, so fork, put the fork there. Okay, so how we going to connect the fork with the activity? So first we can also put the fork wider. This is just for representation purpose, okay, to make it more uh more pleasing to the eyes. Okay, so then, okay, how do we want to connect it? We have the control flow, okay, from the start to the receive order, and from the receive order to the fork. So from the fork we have two more parallel activities. Okay, so we have control flow from here, and then control flow from the fork to the send invoice. Okay, to have a more pleasing to the eyes representation, so you can bend the line. Okay, you can bend the line here. Okay, and also here. Okay, bend the line. Okay, here. Okay, but you want to make it more represented, more uh what, nicer, so you can find other ways to drag your arrow. Okay, so from there you have the all the decision and the merge right here, the decision here. Okay, for the field order we have a decision. Okay, so decision is about rush order. Okay, rush order. Okay, so from here you have another one. Okay, and we have another activity here. There are two choices: either arrange overnight delivery, or another one is, the activity is the arrange regular delivery. Okay, so here and here. Okay, so again use the control flow in order to connect from this one. Okay, so make sure your presentation is good. Okay, so and then control flow from here, from here. Okay, make sure you have your control flow, and then from here. Okay, then control flow from the diamond, from the decision node to the activity. Okay, and then don't forget to bend your style. Okay, bend here. Okay, make it presentable. Okay, and also bend it, also right click, bend it here. Okay, okay, so you get your activity diagram, but this one is not finished yet, but I don't want to I don't intend to finish it, so I just want you to know where you can get all the functionalities in your uh, enterprise architect. So this is the end of recording for use case diagram. Okay, back here. Okay, this is the tab that you can choose, start page. Okay, this is your use case just now here, and this is the activity diagram. Okay, so to check further, okay, here your use case. Okay, just now you want to add activity diagram in your use case, you add, right click, add activity with activity diagram. Okay, okay, there. So then you get the activity, and this is the all the activity that you have done so far. Okay, so make sure this is a fork, you have to join the activity using the join, this one, fork or join. Okay, so this is the end of my recording, so you can explore more for your EA. Okay, that's all for now.